Hello, my Librans. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra Tola family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Okay. Without further ado, let's begin. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. We begin with possibilities, morality, innocence, sorrow. What pain are you holding on to, my love, which you are not ready to let go? You're overthinking, but remember, there's always a way out. This is what possibility is trying to say. You've turned your back, and not because you guys are air signs, but you have a tendency to blow things out of proportion because it's natural. Okay, you have a tendency to overthink. Again, it's more about balancing your scales, right? So, universe is trying to say prioritize morality, gain clarity, prioritize your life. You don't have to get scattered in spite of you trying to make amends, but still, if you think nothing is working in your favor, try to view as a third person the particular situation. You will find the answers. Broaden your horizon. Yes, there is someone who is there to help you, to assist you. Why aren't you talking? Why aren't you expressing? Okay, even though we see a masculine energy, it could be a feminine energy for someone, like a spiritual guru or a mentor, a well-wisher. Okay, so someone is there. Again, enjoy the simplicity of life. Probably you have been ignoring. So maybe there could be summer in some countries, there could be rains in some countries. Okay, so apart from the natural calamities, but just enjoy the little things. Enjoy the simplicity of life. Good days are there. It's just a passing phase, is what the first 10 days seem to be looking like for you. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Compromise, awareness, intensity, rebel. It's a good week. Okay, awareness, pause, reflect. Okay, I think there's a lot of anger issues. Maybe what has been happening in the first is getting carried forward, but keep moving forward. Learn from your lesson. Let bygones be bygones. Intensity and rebel. You are seriously focused when it comes to money making. Maybe your goals are getting distracted because of some anger issues. It could be anything, situations, or whatever comes up in the mid 10 days. Okay, so don't give up on your leadership quality. Stay focused, work towards it. Success is embracing. Okay, and you need to find a balance between your personal and your professional life. Find the mid path. When you do good, the good shall return to you. So everything is coming in your favor except for your anger bit. Okay, so you need to work on that. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We begin with creativity, consciousness, friendliness, schizophrenia. You have a liking for someone, but you are confused whether you should go for a commitment or no. There is a possibility that you may realize that this is a person. The woman that you could, if you're my masculine energy, if the woman if you're getting attracted to is extremely beautiful, very poised, and someone extremely supportive. So stable connections will build up. If you are my feminine energies, my masculine energy is seeking for clarity, but again maybe either of you could be confused for whatsoever. Okay, I'm not sure whether a child is involved or whatsoever, but yes, there seems to be a confusion. Maybe you've created your own confusion and universe is trying to say let go, be calm, you will gain clarity. Consciousness words play an important role when you're calm, because that's how Lord Buddha is. When he's in a calm state of mind, your thoughts kind of go away, and then your higher self will give you the answer to what you've been seeking for. Friendliness again is also trying to remind you, if you think some relationship has to come to a closure, give it a closure with your head held high, move out. Okay, you have your own dignity, you don't have to hold on to that pain, is what it's trying to say. So that seems nice. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Blessing in disguise. Whatever is happening in your life, learn from your mistakes. Maybe that is what is required. Learn to replace anger with love and let go. Okay, there is a possibility where you might feel that this is something, it shouldn't have happened. It's okay, it's a part and parcel of life. Okay, so keep moving ahead, end that contract, whatever soul karmic, whatever contract you have, replace anger with love and keep blessing. Maybe that is how the contract will dissolve for you in this lifetime. Now let's come to your love read. Though we have a confession, a proposal, or whatever, but let's see what are your love energies trying to guide you. Talking and healthy choices. So if you are trying to get into a relationship because you're still hurt and you're looking for a rebound, then probably you need to heal yourself, love yourself, and then go ahead. Okay, don't just get into someone because you're extremely attracted to that person. We have talking, and that's exactly what the consciousness also said. As I said, communication will play a very important role. Be receptive, because something related in text, call, emails, messages, you will find maybe the answer that you've been seeking for is something that you can expect. Okay, some good news is you can expect as well. Now let's ask, just hang on. Okay, I just had to get that card that flew out. So let's ask universe, what's next for you in this month? What can you expect? Hellos, lovers, love is in the air. Finally, unions, friendliness, lovers, it's all about collaborations. So open up your heart chakra. If you have been missing someone, yes, this person is reaching out, or universe is trying to say you should be reaching out. Work on your partnership. Okay, so how should I sum up this month? Go ahead, learn from your mistakes and go ahead. Okay, because what is happening is, when you accept your mistakes and when you start moving ahead, name, fame, finance, travel, success, you ask for it, you shall receive. But the minute you are holding on to your anger, your chaos, not getting clarity, your ego, everything, you getting getting defocused is something maybe universe is trying to say, you need to understand. Your angels are saying everything that is happening, take it as a blessing in disguise. Talk, okay, and heal yourself is what your love energies are saying. Love is in the air, collaborations, partnerships, strong bonding, stability is finally coming towards you. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon to get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.